This is our smokeless grill. We love this thing, especially in the winter. So it has a fan that you can turn on to suck up all the smoke. It's really easy to adjust the temperature on the grill as well. Just really nice and convenient to use indoors, especially in winter when it's cold outside. It does come with a couple kind of recipe books. We find that this is really nice for some inspiration. We don't use the books a whole lot, but they do have some good ideas. You've got a griddle on it, and we just love doing Korean barbecue all the time on this thing. As far as cleanup is concerned, this heating element just pops right out. It's protected, so the heating element never actually gets dirty, which is nice, so you don't get the smoke from that. And then this part comes out as well, so you can just put that in the sink and clean it. We find if you clean it right after you use it, it's really easy to clean. It collects the water and grease, nice and easy to clean. This thing is amazing. We love it.